I think there's a lot of new trends in solar right now. I think the manufacturers are getting more efficient. We're seeing more watts in a module. We're getting higher energy density. What that does, it reduces the cost of labor when we can use larger modules. Also, I think we're seeing the manufacturers have really ramped up production, and the economies of scale are really starting to hit. We're really starting to get better pricing on modules and the balance of system components as well. And secondly, I think the buy-in from the financial markets has been very large for the business. It used to be solar maybe was a little bit of an iffy, long-term investment for banks and institutions, but right now it's a very hot item for large banks to own solar. And I think that really tells all that solar is here and it's not going anywhere. The cost of solar at a utility scale is, it's on par with other forms of energy. So I think what you're seeing is utility buy-in, you're seeing commercial buy-in, you're also seeing more residential systems. So I think the future is very bright, and I think it's going to stay here and be mainstream.